In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your tasks and to-do list using Trello. We'll be walking through a simple process that will have you efficiently managing your projects in just a few minutes. If you're new to Trello or looking to up your productivity game, you're in the right place. First, you'll want to head over to Trello's main page and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, this step will be straightforward. For those who haven't logged in before, Trello offers various quick sign-in options. Here, let's go ahead and use the Google login. This is a convenient choice for many since it ties all your digital tasks to an account you're likely using frequently anyway. Once clicked, select the appropriate Google account that you'd like to associate with Trello. And there you go, you're in. Now once you've logged into your Trello account, it's time to access your boards. Here, you'll need to click on your desired board. If you're not familiar with boards, think of them as large digital bulletin boards where all your tasks and to-dos reside. Click on the link to your board and you'll see the workspace where everything is organized. The next basic step is to add a card. A card in Trello is essentially a task or item on your to-do list. Simply find the Add a Card option on your board and click it. This action opens up a space for you to type in the specifics of your task. It can relate to a client you're dealing with, a customer you're monitoring, or a project you're working on. Think of the card name as a headline. It should capture the essence of the task in a way that's clear to you. Once you've typed in the name of your card, you need to save it. To do this, you'll simply click outside of the card creation box. This small action might seem easy to overlook, but it's crucial as it ensures your task is saved to the board and you're ready to keep moving forward. At this point, your card is now officially a part of your Trello board. One of the fantastic features of Trello is the ability to organize your cards by clicking and dragging them across different lists, representing your workflow stages. This visual setup makes it easy to see where each task stands and allows you to update and add details as needed. And that's a compact overview of using Trello to manage your tasks and to-do list efficiently. With this setup, you should be able to keep track of multiple projects and priorities with ease. Remember, organizational tools like Trello are there to make your life simpler, so use them to their fullest potential to stay on top of everything you need to accomplish. Happy organizing!